In this video, I'll take you through the new Google Flow Storyboard Studio, an impressive AI-powered tool that transforms a simple story concept into a fully visualized storyboard within minutes. We begin by heading to our browser and search for Google Flow. Click on the first option here. This is Google's experimental AI filmmaking platform loaded with creative utilities designed for video production. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll notice your existing projects displayed in your library. Today, we're building a brand new storyboard from the ground up, so we will click on New Project. After launching a new project, you're welcomed by Google Flow's sleek workspace. The left sidebar contains sections for all media, characters, scenes, and tools. The main canvas appears blank, waiting for you to bring your ideas to life. At the bottom sits an agent prompt bar where you type in what you want to create. Let's navigate to the Tools section to locate the Storyboard Studio. Inside the Tools library, you'll discover a prompting category featuring tools such as Character X-ray, Style Writer, Prompt Tree, Story Sketch, and other tools. The tool we're after is Storyboard Studio. Click it to launch. When Storyboard Studio opens, it prompts you to select a visual style. Your choices include realistic, charcoal, claymation, concept, sketch, and 3D animation. For this tutorial, I'll be selecting the realistic style. Before building our storyboard, we need a script to work with. I'll use Google Gemini to generate one for us. In Gemini, I entered the prompt, write a script about the danger of chasing shortcuts in life. Include a wise grandmother figure who teaches her grandchildren that true success is built through patience, hard work, and integrity, using a real-life lesson from her own past to drive the message home. Gemini produced a story titled The Harvest of Patience, a heartfelt narrative centered on a young girl named Maya, who rushes through an art project and learns from her wise grandfather that quality always outweighs speed. Back in Storyboard Studio, I paste the script into the agent prompt bar and instruct it to create a video story using the script containing 5 to 10 scenes with 10 to 15 dialogues. Storyboard Studio gets to work immediately. It reads through the story and automatically organizes it into a complete screenplay format, including scene headings, action lines, and character dialogue. You can watch the script fill in live on screen. The Script tab gives you formatting controls for titles, scenes, dialogue, and transitions, just like a professional screenwriting application. Now let's move over to the Assets tab. This is where Storyboard Studio truly stands out. It has automatically pulled out all the key elements from our script: 5 characters, Maya, Elena, Leo, Mr. Vance, and customer, 2 locations, the village bakery and another bakery, and a complete list of props, including laptop and phone. Using the autofill characters feature, Storyboard Studio generates detailed visual descriptions for each character and then produces realistic reference images automatically. Maya is a 15-year-old South Asian girl with pigtails and a bright purple turtleneck paired with blue denim jean. Leo is an 17-year-old East Asian boy with a neat bowl cut, dressed in a black sweater and corduroy trousers, calm and methodical, serving as a perfect visual contrast to Maya. Elena is a warm, elderly figure radiating a gentle and welcoming presence. Watch as the images render live in full realistic style. They look absolutely stunning. The same autofill capability applies to locations and props. The village bakery and another bakery receive reference images that align with the realistic aesthetic. Props like laptop, phone, knitting, sack of flowers and stack of cash are all auto-generated and ready to be placed into scenes. Now let's switch over to the Storyboard tab. This is where everything comes together visually. The story has been divided into multiple scenes. Scene 1 is in the interior of Elena's room in the evening, featuring 6 shots. Scene 2 is the village bakery, continuous, with 3 shots. Following that, we have bakery scene set in the morning, and 3 other scenes, each containing their own collection of shots. Every shot carries a descriptive name generated automatically from the story's context. Click the autofill scene on any scene and watch as the Storyboard Studio produces storyboard realistic images for each shot instantly. For scene 1, we see Leo, Elena, and Maya on set in the living room. A dramatic close-up of Leo trying to open the lid of a laptop in frustration, then another shot showing Maya's skepticism, the shot that contains when Leo and Maya are having a shortcut debate, and so on. Scene 2 is a flashback showing Elena carrying a sack of flour into the bakery. The second shot contains Elena mixing flour together, and the last shot Elena painting herself with the flour. The images are stunning, fully rendered in realistic style and visually consistent with the character designs established earlier. As we scroll further, we see the salesman's pitch, Elena's secret choice, the false success and the salesman's departure. And the rest of the scenes continue like that till the sixth scene with 6 good realistic images. Switching back to the script view, you'll find the complete formatted screenplay displayed alongside the visual storyboard, all in one unified space. The All Media Gallery gives you a bird's eye view of every generated image within the project. Before we close out, it's worth noting that Storyboard Studio is just one of the many tools available inside Google Flow. The Explore Tools section includes image utilities like Simple Sketch, Scene Explorer, Shot Explorer, and Image Editor, along with video tools and experimental effects. Google Flow also allows you to build your very own custom tools, and the tagline says it perfectly: build all the tools you can imagine. And that's Google Flow Storyboard Studio. In under 12 minutes, we moved from a bare story concept to a fully illustrated multi-scene storyboard, complete with consistent realistic characters, locations, props, and shot descriptions. This is an exceptionally powerful tool for filmmakers, content creators, and educators alike. Go ahead and try it yourself on the official Google Flows website, and I will see you in the next tutorial.